Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Before we jump back at code, let's see if there's some fast reviews that we can look at. Maybe this one here. Buffer overflow. It's a critical, yeah. Fixes to possible buffer overflows. What's the problem? C file name. I've seen this in the past, didn't I? Oh, maybe not. No, I haven't seen that. C. C. What's the problem here? Max pass while data is not 0. C is data. C I. Yeah. Yeah. Read file message. A single message. strl copy. File name. Reinterpret cast. Max pass. Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah. Increment for null terminator. I plus equal. I think this is wrong. Of course it's wrong. strl copy. String x dot h. Returns the number of characters until the first 0 character. strl copy. Returns the length of source, excluding the null terminator. There you go. Actually, maybe that's correct. Yeah. No. Yeah. Excluding the null terminator. No, then it's correct, yeah. Never mind. Never mind. Prevent buffer overflow. Copying file path string. Okay, cool. Yeah, this makes a lot of sense, I would say. I'm also in favor of it's logically the most robust. So this is in core. Okay. Very secure. Okay, let's look at one more. This one, maybe. It's trainable. Object is trainable. Okay. Can this unit or its rider gain veterancy? If not, retake compatible CSC. It's trainable. It's trainable. Looking at the code in this function. I'm confused now. What about shouldn't that also account for the writer to work properly? Maybe what about this one? I'm confused by this, yeah. It's valid to execute. Okay. Writer change contain. Writer tracker. Writer. Transfer experience from the rider to the bike. Transfer experience from the rider to the bike. From the bike to the rider. Okay, so there is some transfer. Strain. I wonder if this should be fixed a different way. There's code, there is explicit code for transferring there's transferring experience from rider to bike and from bike to rider. Maybe the trainable flag. Maybe the trainable flag needs to be transferred as well. Yeah. So that the bike is not trainable when mounted by a worker. This way, the modified trainable tests would be no longer necessary. That the bike would inherit the worker's experience. Okay, now the question is, how do we post this now? Ah, here. Yeah, I would look into this flag, see if we can give the bike the same experience as the worker. Maybe that would be all that's needed to fix it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's get back to code. Mm-hmm. Good. Let's get back to our code. So what did we do last? We implemented this one here, this function. We can remove that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then we will use it. Yeah. Texel. Okay, so I think what we do is we search for all of this in this file. Current document. Oh, well, it's not in here. Look at that. We need also an accessor for this. Get height. Get UV for blend. Get expensive. I would say we need this one to be public. Yeah. Public. Let's just public protected. Then we say texel normal, get texel normal, int x, int y, const. Okay. Then we do y times width plus x. That's our index, const ndx, and let's take this. Okay, I guess return now. And then this one will be texel normals. ndx. Okay, and then we do then we use that here. Yeah. So we remove these here. We remove this. Then we remove all this. This. Then here we do we only need one texel, right? So we go up here. Then oh boy. So then here we put world height map, texel normal, const texel normal equals that. Yeah. Texel normal. Let's do debug set crash. Texel normal is null. have pmap. We pass it map x, map y. Plus that, yeah. Okay, and this should then return how about in this function texel normal get quick texel normal. We don't do this check here. We don't do any checks. Let's put an assert at least. Debug assert crash. Save. Let's let's go for full speed here, yeah. Okay. Okay, then quick. Then we can remove this. Okay, now we have texel normal, so this is top left sample. So we do top left. Top left, do the light, normal, top left. Ah, but it's const. Do the light. Normal. Light. I think this needs to be const here. Const. Okay, does this still work? Yeah, looks okay. Okay. Good. Top left. Next is top right. Bottom right. And bottom left. Okay. Good. Then let's see what happens. I wonder, texel normal, so... Well, then the question is, does this need updating on terrain height modification or not? Maybe. Maybe, maybe not. Good. Did we forget anything, or does it look proper? Texel normals. We flipped this one here for pre-computes. Let me merge this down. Okay. Good. So we need to check for lightning. Let's see if that works. Lightning on the terrain. That's what this is for. Oh, we have a crash. Okay, that doesn't look good. Okay. I see. Yeah, that was not very smart. X chord. What about Y chord? That one is here. Okay. Oh, I just realized we also need to put it in two other functions. The same thing. This is not the only place. There's another one here. So here we have a map. Then we comment out this here. And this. And this. Okay. And then map X plus that. And then we have texel normal, top left, top left. top right, bottom right, and bottom left. They also all fail because they also don't take const. Const. Okay. Good. There's that. And then the next one. Here. Yeah. Top left sample. Only compute when I equals 0 and j equals 0. Okay. What? Copy left sample. What the hell is that bullshit? Is this function actually used? It's not. Okay. Doesn't work well. uh. So what is optimized about this? The optimization in this function is to take advantage of words in the same XY position who have already computed their lightning. To do this, we need to set up some offsets in the vertex buffer. I've computed these offsets to be consistent with the formulas that Generals is using, but in the case of the half-res mesh, I'm not sure things are correct. Great. Top left sample, only compute when I equals 0. Normal texel. Doesn't work well, he said. Lightning values that have been previously computed. Okay, how about we just don't touch this function then? Yeah. Or, I don't know. Do the dynamic light. Like copy. Doesn't work well, you said. Okay, but I think we can still use our texel thingy here, right? Yeah. Yeah. So we say so we take this guy here, yeah. We remove this and this. And we remove, put this here, texel normal. Map X, map, texel normal, top left, top left, there we go. Then we can remove this. Then here we do the same. This one is top right. This one is used outside. Then actually we need to put this here. Then we remove this. Then this one will be texel normal, bottom right, and texel normal, bottom left. Okay. So it looked like he had big ideas here for optimizations. Didn't work, but okay. Idea is idea. Good, so this is that. Then we comment out this here. And this. Okay, let's see if that compiles. Very secure. Good, so it compiles. That's already half the story, I guess. Let's see what it looks like. I expect crashing or bugs. Wild bugs. Okay, I already see bugs. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't crash, but it looks ass. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's too bad. Yeah. That looks pretty bad. Oh boy. Yeah, it looks very dark, right? Very dark terrain. That's it. Oh. Okay, so why does this happen? What did we do wrong? Yeah. um hmm. We do call the pre-compute, right? Uh let's put a breakpoint in here. You know what? I just realized here we should do if UV data cache return. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we allocate, yeah. We set it all to 0, fair enough. Then we create some variables, and here we do max y minus this. Okay, good. Yeah, y plus 2, okay. Yeah. 0, 2. Set is 1, so the normal is pointing upwards, so it's perfectly flat, right? That's what this means. Okay, so this looks okay to me. If the normal is pointing up, makes sense. So and this will then go through all the texels, yeah. I don't think we actually need to memset it, because we are guaranteed to write all of them, right? Yeah. I think we can... We don't need to mem set it. It still looks bad. The water at least looks good. Huh. Okay, why is this happening? Hmm. Hmm. Uh, out of pass finding sets is bollocks. Maybe. I mean, there's this in the EA code where it just does unnecessary things. So I don't know what I did wrong here, but it should be something obvious. I mean, it looks really bad, so clearly there's a major mistake here. Display height. Display height. Texel normal. Texel quick texel normal. Pre-compute. Pre-compute. We get a height. X. X, yeah. Plus cell offset. Y. I have no idea. Well, we will find it. I mean, let's test it again. I still would like to see the light. Like, I don't understand why. Like, it's not related to lights. Or is it? I'm confused. Let's load a skirmish. You say everything's dark. Oh boy. Oof. There's no light. Let's put a breakpoint here. Update VB for light. Who's updating the lights? What? Update VB for light. Why does it look so broken? I don't understand. Why is this function not called? What is this? Why? I don't understand. Why this is not called? This one is called. Holy shit, why is this number so big? What is this? What? What? What is this number here? What is this? That can't be. That can't be. This number can't be real. Oh, what is this? I don't understand. X chord, Y chord, X chord. I just realized that we already have this here, so we could make this simpler here. Yeah. Oops. Display height. I don't understand what the problem is. Excuse. Yeah, unfortunately, I have no clue what the mistake is. But clearly we did some mistake. Yeah. What did we do wrong? Some mistake. I don't know what the problem is. I don't see it. Oh, what is a mistake here? I don't know. Let's double check that everything looks okay when we revert this current change. Yeah. So we stash it. Yeah. Then we compile. And then it's supposed to look normal again, yeah? Yeah. I would say that looks pretty normal. Yeah. There's also some light. Yeah. Yeah. This light even stays here. Or it just fades very slowly. I don't know. Okay, but this looks normal. So clearly we broke something. Yeah. Const expr. Where's it? Stage. Stage. Commits. Comments. 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 Good. How did we break this? How did we break this? I think for starters, what we can do here is x chord, y chord, this one is different here. X chord minus border size. Huh. Huh. That's weird. This one doesn't have this border calculation. Border size inline. Yeah, why is this necessary here? And otherwise not. What is this? Yeah, that's interesting. Why is this needed here? And otherwise not. That's weird. Oh. Why is there always so much bullshit in here? What is this? Okay. Let's test this. And this. Let's do a commenting this. I don't know if that makes any difference. X chord. White quartz. Maybe that would explain some things here. Yeah. Let's remove this here again. Okay. Okay, that looks more promising now. Yeah. Do we see light? I don't see light. But it doesn't look as broken anymore, so I guess that's good. But I don't see lights. Oh, it's still dark, yeah. It's surprising how broken this suddenly has become. Yeah. There's no lights. There's light on the vehicle itself, but not on the terrain. That sucks. I didn't fix anything really. Although the shell map looks a bit better than before, but not much. What happens if we put this here? Let's see. Crash. Do the lights. Update VB. Oof. Get drog. Okay. Fluorescence. Okay, so that is not healthy. this works here. Like, can this be negative as well? X chord. Huh. X chord. Okay, so this is definitely wrong. Let's delete that. Yeah, why is this here then? Maybe for this check here, min x. Yeah. Then, in my opinion, this one needs to do that. Yeah. Well, how about we do X chord is that, and then X chord border. Y chord border. Oh boy. Y chords. There we go. Y chords. We do the same here. Border. Border. Border, border. Border. Cool. Then this should be the same now. But it still doesn't explain the problems. Skirmish. So maybe is the data maybe not yet ready when we start? Is it maybe not yet ready when we start with the pre-computing? Can we actually pre-compute? Oh, why is this so difficult? Cell offset, blah, blah, blah. Get height. Does get height actually return a value? It should, right? See? Data, comma, 100s. Oh, so 0. Is that correct? Let's do data plus 1000. Data plus 1100. Comma 100. There's some values here. Let's do plus 2000 invalid characters. 255. What is the data size? Data size. Okay, it's 99,000. Yeah, okay, so suddenly we have some values in here. Yeah. But oddly enough, it's weird data. Why is this 255 and then 0? Like, why is there such a sharp drop? Actually, I don't know. Could make sense, maybe. Let's go to, I don't know, 50,000, 1,000 entries. So that's somewhere in the middle of the map, right? It's very high. Okay, well, the values, it looks as if it could make sense. Maybe, yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Target height. It seems fine to me. Maybe what we can do is yeah, I think we have to do that. So we have update VB. So we put this code back in, and this code, and then of course also this bullshit here, and then all this. And then we stop debugging. And then we do a mem compare. If mem compare this and this, it's not identical, then printf size of okay, so we have that and that. We are missing one here. Okay, so if this was all good, then this assert would not hit. My suspicion is will hit. Not assert, I mean breakpoint. Top right. Oof. It's very different. Sure. Okay. Well, that kind of explains it then. Yeah. Okay, why is it so different? Are we accessing are we accessing the same regions? Maybe it's accessing the wrong regions. Yeah. Okay, that's worrying, yeah. Top right. X, Y, Z. So it's clearly very different. Yeah. So that's at 122, 0. 122, 0. Okay, it's the top edge of the map. Pre-compute. Top left, top right, bottom right, bottom left. Yeah. UN, VN. UN, VN. UN, VN, yeah. It's that one. Okay, looks completely different. Let's see the next one. This one is the same. This one is also the same. Bottom left. Oh. Bottom left. There we go. There's a mistake. Bottom left. Bottom left. Okay, but that was just comparison mistake. Bottom right. This one is bottom right. Top right. Top left. Ah, okay. So let's do it again. Mistakes in our checks. So, top right. That's clearly not the same. Oh, that boy. Okay, so we have a lot of mismatching values. Bottom left. I see. Okay. Bottom left, bottom left, top left. Okay, we have all the things are mismatching here. Yeah, the normals are completely different. Oh. Well, that explains the problem. Um. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Maybe the mistake. Maybe the mistake is what we were questioning all the time. Let's remove this 2x here. Yeah. At the edges, I expected there might be some mismatches at the very edges. No. Still wrong. Top left. I don't know what the problem is. Some mistake. I don't know what it is. Pre-compute texel normals. What is the issue? Oh, it's really not obvious. You look at the shit and it's just so much mumbo jumbo. I thought I copied it correctly, but Apparently not. I might do here another comparison. Height map. Height map. Map Y extent. That's height, yeah. Height -1. Texels, normals, data size, top left, top right, bottom, bottom left, vector 3. I really don't know what the problem is. I don't know. I really don't understand how this doesn't work. Man, it should be so obvious. Actually, no, it shouldn't be obvious. I just don't know what the problem is. I think if I keep looking, I will find it, but I don't know how long this will take. It could take a couple more hours to find it. Some stupid mistake somewhere. Yeah. Previously it called get display height. You know what we can actually use here? Right. How about we add a get quick height? Debug, assert crash. And the X is smaller. Data size. World height map. And let success. Okay, at least it's fast, yeah. It's not correct, but it's fast. How about that? Maybe we just put it here. Put it here. 0, 2, 0, 2. Oh, it's 2 away. Okay. 0, 3. 4, 1, 2, 5, 0, 2. So it's always 3 away here. Is that correct? Yeah. Let's compare this with here. 2, 0. Okay. 0, 2. Okay, that looks familiar. 0, 3. Yeah. 1, 4. Okay. 2, 5, 3, 6. Okay, that looks identical to what we have. Yeah. Fair enough. Let's put a breakpoint here again. Why is this different? Top right, minus 0, 6. I mean, it can only mean that the indexing is wrong, no? Otherwise, I can't explain this. Otherwise, I cannot explain this behavior. Indexing wrong. Is that possible? Get quick texel normal. Texel normal. So this one is mismatching. All right. How about we do the following? Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. Why don't we just do instead of doing that, let's do texel normal. Words height map texel normal. Then here we do top left. Texel normal. 2. Let's call it fresh. Texel normal fresh. Okay. Top left. Top right. Bottom right. And bottom left. Good. Let's try this. This one will give us a better view, like which ones are exactly different, right? Actually, let's do the following. We put a check here at the very end. Here we say if mem compare texel normal fresh, size of fresh is not 0. There we go. So we check all at once in one go. Let's do that. Okay. There's probably some really stupid mistake somewhere with the coordinates. Yeah. Good. So we have watch, texel normal fresh. There we go. Okay. Well, they look very similar. Huh? They look identical. What's the problem now? Maybe there's some super tiny inaccuracy somewhere at the far end. Okay, I don't understand why this one is showing as a mismatch. They look exactly the same. Maybe there's some inaccuracy somewhere at the far end. We don't see it here. There could be. Yeah, how do we solve that? Texel normal fresh. That's not particularly helpful. Const charm. How many bytes are these? 12 times 4? 48 bytes. Const char. Const char. Texel normal 48. Oh boy. Fresh. Let's see. So we have a 1 and a minus 128 here, yeah. 63. 128. They look the same. They look exactly the same. Why is this a problem? What am I missing here? One. They look the same. It shouldn't hit here. Mem compare. Oh, I see. This one is a pointer already. Yeah, that's why. Oh man. Stupid mistakes. Okay, let's see. So here, that one is certainly different, yeah. At which coordinates? 123, 0. 123, 0. Okay, clearly mismatches here. We have here normals which are not straight up. They point somewhere. And it happens very often. Yeah. Yeah, we have more straight normals down here, which makes sense. Why? How does this come to be? Are we accessing it wrong? What are we doing wrong here? Something we are doing wrong, and it's hard to figure out what. But it's probably something really simple. I'm just oblivious to it because I don't know where to look. We didn't touch that much. So it shouldn't be hard to look, but I don't see it. What's the function again we added to look it up? Yeah. Texel normal. We give it an X chord, Y chord. Texel normals. Yeah. Can actually also make this this in here. Where is this currently put? Here. Put this in here. Let's do plus this. There we go. Theta. Maybe we should put this function down here. It still has this issue. So somehow the normals are mismatching. We don't know why. It just happens. Very different. Consistently. We don't know why. Okay, I have no idea right now. Let's sleep over it and maybe next session we have a good idea. To me, it looks like we are close. We are almost there, but there's some little thing that we screwed up. It's not right. I don't know what it is, but we can see that it's not right in the numbers. So at least we clearly have evidence. It's just that we have no clue where this comes from. Yeah. Yeah, I will think about it. Maybe we'll have some idea. All right. Then Then maybe clang tidy is not good enough. And we always need a manual pass as well. Good, then I will end it here. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.